lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I am Dupe in case you don't already know, and in today's video we're going to be doing a wig review. I'm always super excited to try a new wig, so let's get right into this video. So my lovelies, this is the wig we're trying out today. This is the Cloud9 Wig Install Glenna, and I'm so excited about it. So this color is the Ballet Caramel. Okay, nice. I'm super excited to try this with you guys. So I've actually tried style Letitia. I'm going to keep it up here and I'm going to leave it in the description box down below. Oh my god, that's always such a mouthful, but I've actually gone ahead to try that out and I've decided to try Glenna today. So let's see what she's gonna give. So this is what we're having, and I really love this color, guys. I really love it. Oh my god, I'm so excited I chose this color. They have so many color options, but I went ahead with this one. I'm gonna go ahead to leave the rest of the color option on the screen, but I just feel this will slap on my skin. I'm really curious to see how it's gonna be. So let's get right into the install. So first things first, my darlings, let's go ahead and prep for the wig.
Show me the car when you turn me on, the way you tell me you want me down. Done it, I done this before you falling. I won't catch you, don't know I'm stalling, cause you love to have them all crying. Calling me sweet, telling me you need me, but I'm from a city that's high school. I give them this and the more I go. Cause you a bad man, she don't love money. She break hearts real fast like conman. Wanna swim down to the deep end, wanna know all my secrets, honestly. Can you keep it real, cause honestly I can tell that you're real fond of me. Baby, don't be shy, I can see it in your eyes. I've been running around, too bad I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad I've been sticking out your mind.
We're done prepping for the wig, and this is what it's looking like. Now we're going to go ahead and do a quick install for this wig, and let's see how it comes out.
Cause I want ya, and it's hard to resist, cause I need ya, and it's hard, baby, yeah, cause I believe ya. Hold me tight, holding on tonight. Holding a couple, get to you clean and proper. Way I move, I know you can love her. You gon' have me on your mind forever. Thanks, baby, turn it down like a sweet and ready. Go slow, keep it nice and steady. Know that you've been keeping patience. Too bad I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Show me the car when you turn me on, the way you tell me you want me down.
Show me how you do that.
Pick it up, why you tryna find the pieces when you lick it up? Why I like it when you sit it when you take it off? Yeah, you know that I'm bad. Too bad I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Who's wrong? Cause I want ya, and it's hard to resist, cause I need ya, and it's hard, baby, yeah, cause I believe ya. Hold me tight, holding on tonight. Holding a couple, get to you clean and proper. Way I move, I know you can love her. You gon' have me on your mind forever. Thanks, baby, turn it down like a sweet and ready. Go slow, keep it nice and steady. Know that you've been keeping patience. Too bad I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? the way you turn me on, the way you tell me you want me down.
Girl, show me how you jiggle.
Pick it up, why you tryna find the pieces when you lick it up? Why I like it when you sit when you take it off? Yeah, you know that I'm bad. Too bad, I've been sticking on your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand how you taking all my time. Left, right, yeah, you took it all night. Too bad, I've been sticking on your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand how you taking all my time. Left, right, yeah, you took it all night. Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, feels so nice. We time, you I know how to make me feel right. I can't help how. Got this sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say let's convey. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching. You do. Show me something, give me more than one thing. I need more than less than I do. Say you a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, it feels so nice. I can't help how. Got this sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say let's convey. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. We've been dancing all night long, right here with you way too long. Don't want nothing here or now, but I'm done waiting, done wasting my time. Got this sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say let's convey. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Sweet talk, sweet talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, feels so nice. We time, you I know how to make me feel right. I can't help how. Got this sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say let's convey. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching. You do. Show me something, give me more than one thing. I need more than less than I do. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, it feels so nice. I can't help how. Got this sweet talk,
is the end result. So I did a middle part and a side part just so you could see what the vibe is, and I think I really like the side part more. For the hair, I would say the texture is really good. Like, it doesn't really feel like synthetic. It feels really good, but then again it tangles easily, but like you can easily brush it out. From what I've noticed since I wore it, like you can easily brush out the tangles, which is nice. Then there's little to no shedding. Like the shedding I had was just from like combing it because I had glue stuck on it, so like the shedding was a bit, but like it wasn't nothing, it wasn't serious. Again, the density of the hair feels a bit too small. Like, it's not exactly what I was expecting it to be, a bit fuller than this, to be honest. But it's not like terrible. No, it's not terrible, but I just expected a lot more better. I don't know why. I just thought it would be a lot more fuller, but it's not bad. Like, I actually had my scissors here. Like, I was going to say I was going to reduce it if it was too full, but it's actually not too full, and it's a bit less density than I'm used to, but I don't think it's that bad. Honestly, let me know what you think in the comment section. Let me know your thoughts. If you've actually tried this wig out, let me know what you think about it. Let me know how long it lasted you, or how long it is lasting you. And if you're going to try this wig, let me know your thoughts down below also. I'm going to go ahead and link this hair down below in the description box, so you can go ahead to check it out, or you can go ahead to check my storefront. It's linked on my bio, it's linked on my Instagram, so you can go ahead to check it out if you're interested. All right, so my lovelies, that's really it for this video. Thank you so much for watching to the end of this video, and if you're watching the end of this video, you already know you're the what, you already know you're the real MVP. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Love you. Mwah. Bye.